Hello friends! So, gagawa na naman tayo ng sabon in the best gloves. And so, I'm melting my beef tallow here. It's grass fed. This is my goat milk solution I made overnight and chilled so that when I mix it with caustic soda or lye, it will not burn because mixing it with water. Okay, so first safety gear. Yeah. So I did mix the lye here with the goat's milk solution and slowly I did try to mix it slowly. But you can see here that it has turned yellow. So it's scorching, it's burning because of the sugar in the milk and mixing it with lye. Magbo-burn talaga siya. I should have made it into ice cubes, but yeah, chilled lang siya. So ganun siya. Kaya nilagay ko siya with ice kasi it's really hot. And nag-curdle ng milk and protein, but still I won't throw it out kasi may benefits pa rin siya. Conditioning pa rin yun sa skin. May sugar pa rin siya. It will make the creamy lather for the soup. And you can see here my tallow has melted, and I mix here coconut oil, olive oil, capeseed oil, castor oil, and you can see I poured in the vitamin E. Yeah, my soap has vitamin E. You can see it's very beneficial for the skin. And yun, my grapeseed oil, which is wonderful for acne. It also has castor oil, which is great for skin irritations and infections. And so I incorporated the lye solution to my oil with vitamin E, and you can see it has already turned into a light trace. Medyo thick na siya, and I had to move quickly kasi baka mag-harden siya agad, and di pa naman talaga. So I did stick blend it while mixing it with spatula. As you can see, so I had to move quickly, and yeah, I separated it into two containers kasi gagawa ako ng dalawang kulay para may design. Kasi ano siya, hulaan nyo anong klaseng soap 'to. So yeah, andito na. I'm mixing in my honey, yeah, that is licorice, and I'm mixing in that's Cowlin Clay. Cowlin Clay is also good for detoxification. Magbibigay siya ng whiter color sa isang batch. So, yun. And I'm mixing in frankincense as well. Frankincense has anti-inflammatory benefits. It's also beneficial for the skin. So, soothing din siya sa skin, relaxing. So, yeah, it's all natural as well. So, mix it in. And, by the way, sa isang container naman, it has turned orange because it has turmeric. So, yeah, you know now, this is a turmeric soap with goat's milk. So, yeah, turmeric has makes the skin glow, and it has kind of anti-inflammatory effect as well. So, beneficial siya, and licorice has a brightening effect sa skin. So my soap has a brightening effect and makes the skin radiant, yet it's all natural. So I really am proud. I'm really am proud of the soap. And yeah, so now I'm going to pour, actually I'm just going to put it into the mold. I'm not going to pour it because I cannot pour it anymore. It's so thick. I'm supposed to make a swirling design, kaya lang hindi na siya magsa-swirl because it's so thick already. Had to move quickly, baka mag-harden na siya. Because of the castor oil, nagiging mas mabilis yung pag-thicken ng um, batter. So, yun. Um, yeah, I just made layers of two colors. I mean, parang checkboard siya yung design. So yeah, uh this will cure for 4 to 6 weeks. So If you want to pre-order now, you can message me. It can make 10 bars of soap. So if you're interested to get this soap, you can message me PM through my FB page, or if you know each other sa profile ko na, I mean sa FB account ko, you can just message me to reserve your soap. So it's yeah, so I make that. I'm trying to get swirling effect though. Still, yeah. It has it's almost like seized or hardened, pero yeah. Buti naman na-cope ko, hindi siya nag-harden before, um, 'yun, before ko siya okey.